In this video, I'm going to show you how to be a Spocket supplier. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Spocket for suppliers. Now on here, you want to scroll down until you find a website which is called Spocket for Suppliers from help.spocket.co. So you want to open this up and it will kind of direct you to this help center. What you want to do in here, up here where it says joining Spocket, you want to click on the first question, which is what are the requirements of becoming a supplier on Spocket. Now you want to click on this, and over here, of course, you have to read everything. So as you can see, if you want to join Spocket as a supplier, this is free. They don't charge any commissions or setup fees. However, suppliers will incur minimal transaction fees only, as you can see, and you can pretty much read all about it. So yeah, you will have to see that you must provide high quality products with product photography and descriptions that are ready to market, etc. And then you must manufacture your own products or hold inventory and so on. And then the pricing, you have to provide at least 25% of your retail price. The minimum order quantity, as you can see over here, you can read about it. You can read about the shipping fees. They give you examples and stuff like that. So they will basically let you know all about it, okay? And of course, if you have any other questions, they're available in this chat over here. So you can ask them anytime or just find the question there on their help center. And when you're ready to become a Spocket supplier, you want to scroll down to the bottom of this page where it says, I'm ready to join Spocket as a supplier. You then want to press this, and it will redirect you to this supplier requirements form. In here, you will have to put in your company name, your website URL, and then it will ask you if you have an existing Shopify account, and then if yes, it says do not proceed to install, and so on. So if not, you will have to install. And then what's your bank country of domicile, okay? Of domicile, and then you have to select, and then you have to point of contract information put in. So you have to put in your first name, last name, your email, phone number, and then what is the best way to contact you, and then as well as your product information, as you can see over here, and all the information it requires. So just put in your info, and then for the shipping information, you will have to kind of read this out and then see if you meet the requirements. And then terms and conditions, you have to read through these as well, and then you will have to click if you agree to the requirements above, and then once you're done, you have to click start for free. Now if you have any questions, it says over here you can directly email their support center and they will help you out. Now that's pretty much it. When you click start for free, you will successfully become a Spocket supplier, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.